Hello, good morning, peoples. Um, yes, we've all been on a long journey and we are the wiser now. They want us to stay light-hearted and carefree, and even though we don't know what's up ahead of us, we are feeling confident and more brighter about our future. We are putting an end to people and situations in our lives, and we're starting all over again. The number card is 1717, and it says it's time has come to rely on your own knowledge, your own wisdom, and your ambition. As you take leadership of your life brings a flow of good fortune and good blessings your way. You are highly thought of, and it's time for you to receive the blessings and recognition that you deserve. Um, it's time for you to go out and have fun. The devil has no hold on you anymore. Things are speeding up, and there's a news or a situation coming your way very fast. You must find ways to fill your cup. Be self full. Follow your heart and always trust your intuition. Self healing is the best healing. Only then can you offer the best version of yourself. They say there's great happiness up ahead for you. You are on a new path, a positive, confident path for yourself. Someone new is entering your life, or a situation that's new is entering your life. You have got rid of a lot of hassles and things that hold you back, and you're open to receive these things from the heavens. The universe says yes, there are new beginnings coming your way, and they want you to reflect. That's angel number 666, and they want you to reflect, refocus, and readjust. As you refocus on what serves your highest good, you will feel yourself shift into your higher self. That is who you truly are. You have got honor and respect coming to you, and this is going to come in very soon. You should accept valid criticism. In the past, we had to be shrewd and resourceful, especially in business, but we were looked after by our angels and spirit guides. It's the end now of anxiety and sleepless nights. It's time to look past what you feel are your incapabilities. Instead, focus on everything you have achieved so far in your life. Get back to the basics. You are getting wisdom about things and people and situations around you, and you choosing to move from the chaos into peace and harmony. And your loved ones say, become the true you. Share the message of love. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all so, so much.